True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So my location is in the Barber Hall area. So I'm driving on election day in the Barber Hall area. Yeah man, when you talk about politics, Barber Hall people them come out and support them party, whether it would be labor rights or the PNP. Yeah man, so take a view in this area. So we're traveling on election day in this area. If you come from this area, leave it in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Levy Hardware and Furniture. Yeah man, so we are close to the Levy Hardware and Furniture, which is on your right and also your left. Just want to show you how I go another area, how the place look, how the place set up. Election day, people from all about come out, you know. Yeah man, leave in the comment section and tell me what I go on. Giving a tour of the place. See what I go on the Barber Hall, a lot of green flags. It's early time of the day. It's about 11:40 a.m. A lot of people don't come out as yet, but just keeping all up to date and see how the place look. Big up all of the Barber Hall massive them. Big up yourself, Foxy Lady. Big up yourself. Big up all of the Morris them at the place. Big up yourself, Miss Ruby. Big up all the time. So it's a bit overcast at the moment. So I'm gonna make the left turn. So welcome to Barber Hall Primary School and Infant School. So I'm gonna make the left turn. Yeah man, so we're at the Barber Hall Primary and Infant School. Always remember to like up the video free of cost. thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, your #1 tour guide in Jamaica.